decided I'd break out the knives and sharpen up the axes and get a few of the mundane things done while I have a little extra time on my hands. Going through and using my Schrade knife sharpener here. This is actually a Schrade right here. This is their bolo. Decided I'm going to carry this on my ruck out so I can clear stuff, cut down stuff. Also decided that on the same pack I'm going to carry the I picked up the 511 axe, but I've decided on this one. This is the Schrade axe as well. I like the handle. The handle is a lot thicker. I was cutting down some kindling wood the other day with that other one, and it just, after just a few hits, that metal right in your hand was just tough. Now, problem with this one is it doesn't have a hammer on the back of it. It's got a point. But I'll tell you, that little damn thing is sharp as a razor. I already sliced my finger open just going like this and touching it. So it's a good thing to get all those sharpened up. I got one more that I like. This is kind of that tomahawk one. Used to be kind of a different color, but I think it's a CKT tomahawk. I think that's what the brand on it was, but it's got a good feel in my hand for chopping wood and stuff like that, but it's just a little heavy. It's a little heavy for carrying in that backpack, so I think I've decided that those other two are the ones that I'm going to carry. This the reason for the video today was just to talk about the sharpener, not the axes or my inability to keep from cutting my damn self. But this little sharpener, it's a Schrade sharpener. I think you can see the name on the back right there. Anyway, it's a nice light sharpener. It'll do not only your knives, but it'll do your broad axes and stuff like that as well. So highly recommend you guys get a sharpener of some sort. Also highly recommend you sit down for a few hours and you play with one. Learn how to run it across this thing at the right angle. Learn how to sharpen your blades. Learn how to sharpen them because you dulled them up. And then just keep practicing until you get better at it. But just think now would be a good time to be learning how to do these things before you have to do it in a mud puddle somewhere. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.